morning, class 1. How are you? I hope you're all well. Oh no, I am also well. Now it's your English class, special English grammar. Okay? Now today we will learn the names of days and months. Okay? You have also learned the name of days and months in UKG. Now today we will also learn the name of days and months. So, do you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days, okay? 7 days in a week. Monday, but you have to remember the spelling Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Just divide the spelling into syllables. এইভাবে syllable স্টেপে ভাগ করে নেবে স্পেলিং গুলোকে। Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Friday, very easy spelling, F-R-I, Friday, day. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, and Sunday. It's a holiday, okay? Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. And all days with K, okay? Sunday. Now, we have also learned that there are 12 months in a year. So, you have to also remember the spelling of the name of the months, like January, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. March, M-A-R-C-H, March. April, very easy spelling, A-P-R-I-L, April. May, M-A-Y, May, easy, only 3 letters, M-A-Y, May. Okay, June, very easy, J-U-N-E, June. July, J-U-L-Y, July. August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. September, okay, you have to divide the spelling, September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. October, O-C-T-O-V-E-R, October. November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. And the last month, December. And we celebrate Christmas on 25th December, like the spelling December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December, okay? So now you have to learn and read carefully the spelling of the days and the names of the months, okay? 7 days and 12 months, and divide the spelling into step by step, ভেঙে নেবে, syllable step করে নেবে, spelling গুলোকে তাহলে আর ভুল হবে না। Is that clear? And remember, look, January J capital, February F capital, here Monday in capital, Tuesday T capital. Do you know why they are used in capital letters? Because the names of the days and the names of the months are special names, okay? We have learned in the previous class that we start with a capital letter. If there is a special name, আমরা কি করি, স্পেশাল নেম হলে ক্যাপিটাল লেটার দিয়ে শুরু করি। মন্ডেকে মন্ডেই বলবো, মন্ডে নিশ্চয়ই সানডে হয়ে যাবে না। মন্ডে যদি সানডে হতো খুব মজা হতো, কারণ সানডে হলিডে খেলা হতো, তাই তো? কোনোদিনই হয় না। তাহলে মন্ডে মন্ডেতেই থাকবে, টুইসডে টুইসডেতেই থাকবে, আবার সানডে সানডেতেই থাকবে। যদি বলি সানডেকে মন্ডে করে দেবো, তোমাদের ভালো লাগবে? তাহলে স্কুলে আসতে হবে, আবার পড়তে হবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে সানডে সানডেতেই থাকবে, কারণ আমরা খেলবো, ওকে? তাহলে the name of the days and the names of the months are always in capital letter because they are special names, okay? Is that clear? Write the names of the days and the names of the months in your copybook just for one time. একবার করে days এর নাম, একবার করে months এর নাম খাতায় লিখবে। Is that clear? Now lesson 7. Another interesting topic for you. We have also learned about the use of a and an in UKG class. Now, in this class, we will learn the use of a and an. Where do we use a and where do we use an? Now relation 7. And okay, page 40. Okay, first A before consonant and an before vowel. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels like A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. So the naming words that begin with A, E, I, or O, U, we use and. For example, owl, egg, igloo, umbrella, apple. Okay. Now, apple, A. It's a vowel or consonant. Vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So it's a vowel. Am I right? A apple? No. Okay, okay. An apple. Okay. Owl, O, vowel. So we use an owl. Here, egg. Do you like egg? E, vowel. So an egg. Igloo, and igloo. Because I, vowel. Umbrella, U, vowel. So an umbrella. But if I write cat, dog, here C, D, their consonant. Okay. So a cat, a dog. Is that clear? Now, but another interesting rule for you. Look at the board. How to use vowel, how to use a or an before describing words. We have also learned describing words like Ramu is dash good boy. Okay, use a or an. Ramu is dash good boy. Boy, it's naming word, and the word comes before naming word, it's describing word. Okay. But how? Now you have to put a or an before this describing word. Ramu is a good boy. A. Why A? Because G is a consonant. Okay. Now another very interesting example. দাও খুব ভালো example দিচ্ছি দেখো। ওশেন, ওশেন সমুদ্র। আমরা কি বসাই ওশেন? ও, ও কি vowel. So an ocean. And we dash এবার বলো কি হবে? এক ওশেন হয়েছিল ড্যাশ লার্জ ওশেন। ওশেনটা কেমন? লার্জ। এই লার্জটা কি ডেসক্রাইবিং ওয়ার্ড না? It's a describing word because comes before the naming word. It's naming word. Large ocean and but large ocean L আমরা কিন্তু তখন আর ওশেনটাকে দেখব না, এই এলটাকে দেখব। যার আগে ড্যাশ থাকবে তাকে দেখব। এটা কি এল? কনসোনেন্ট। because we know that the vowels are a, e, i, o, u. So l consonant. So how a large ocean, okay? Like egg, an egg. আচ্ছা আমি যদি বলি rotten egg, পচা ডিম, কি হবে? rotten egg, a, because r consonant. Is that clear? Now another rules for you. Remember, if the naming words are many, okay, or more than one, then we do not use a or an before the naming words. Is that clear? For example, look carefully. এই এক্সাম্পলটা দেখো, খুব তাড়াতাড়ি শিখে দিতে পারবে। apple, red apple, many apples, কতগুলো ধরো লিখে দিলাম, 9 apples. Now tell me, why do we use a or an? Apple, a vowel, so an apple. Red apple are consonant. like কি হবে, a red apple. Many apples, many হয়ে গেছে না, অনেক আছে। we do not use a or an, we only use a or an in case of singular. ওকে, যখন একটা হয়ে যাবে, ওকে, সিঙ্গেল হয়ে যাবে অর্থাৎ ওয়ান হয়ে যাবে, তখনই আমরা a and বোঝাতে পারবো। but many we do not use a or an. 9 apples, দেখো একের বেশি হয়ে গেছে না, many হয়ে গেছে, so cross. ওকে, যেমন যদি থাকে দেখো আইসক্রিম, আমরা কি বসাবো, an আইসক্রিম। আচ্ছা যদি থাকে আইস ক্রিমস, অনেক হয়ে গেছে না, আইসক্রিম, সো ক্রস। ওকে, we do not use a or an before many. Is that clear? So now learn the rules carefully. Okay, is that clear? Now you're at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you. Tata.